Hello, I'm Sima from APC Finance Consultants, bringing you today's key economic events. The Swiss National Bank (SNB) interest rate decision will be announced. The SNB's Monetary Policy Committee meets 4 times a year to determine the short-term interest rate. Following the meeting, the bank releases a statement outlining its decision, along with a brief commentary on the economic conditions that influenced it. More importantly, the statement often includes signals regarding future policy direction. Interest rate decisions are primarily based on inflation, as the central bank's main objective is to maintain price stability. So, when inflation exceeds approximately 2%, the SNB may raise interest rates to curb rising prices. A higher interest rate generally strengthens the Swiss franc, while a lower rate may weigh down on the currency. The Bank of England (BOE) interest rate decision will be announced in the UK. The BOE's Monetary Policy Committee meets once a month to determine the short-term interest rate. After the meeting, the bank releases a statement outlining its decision, along with a brief commentary on the economic conditions that influenced it. More importantly, the statement often includes signals about future policy directions. Interest rate decisions are primarily based on inflation, as the central bank's main objective is to maintain price stability. When inflation exceeds approximately 2%, the bank typically raises interest rates in an effort to curb rising prices. An increase in interest rates generally supports the British pound, while a decrease has the opposite effect. The U.S. unemployment claims report will also be released. This report measures the number of individuals filing for unemployment benefits under the U.S. Social Security program. These benefits are provided to those who lost their jobs in the past week, offering them a minimum level of financial support for themselves and their families until they return to work. Higher than expected figures signals weakness in the U.S. labor market and may negatively impact the U.S. dollar, while lower figures suggest the opposite. The Philadelphia Manufacturing Index will also be released in the United States. What sets it apart is that it is conducted by the Federal Reserve Bank of Philadelphia, one of the 12 regional Federal Reserve banks. The index focuses on monitoring manufacturing activity at the regional level, and significance lies in its ability to accurately reflect the pace of manufacturing growth on a national scale. A reading above zero signals economic expansion, while a reading below zero indicates a potential economic contraction. The U.S. existing home sales report will be released. This report measures the annualized number of residential properties sold up to the previous month. It serves as an indicator of housing market demand and consumer interest in home-related goods. A higher than expected reading signals a strong real estate market, which is generally positive for the U.S. dollar, while a lower reading suggests the opposite. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.